Let's explore the Preferences tab within the Profile section of dResume. This tab helps you specify your career preferences and expectations, tailoring your professional profile. For this particular video, let's start with the last box over here, which is requirements, and for good reason. Once you add a value, as in this box, in this requirement box, you can specify other requirements you have as part of your preferences, your job preferences. So in this case, I'm just going to say I need flexibility in my daily schedule, something like that. This is just a sample sentence over here, and I don't need to add this to my dResume as of now. So I'm just gonna save this, and notice what happens once after I hit save. Once when I scroll down here, I can only modify the existing values. Since the add icon is no longer available as it initially was. The same thing for the other boxes as well. Once added, the add icon disappears and there's no delete icon, as you can see, like the previous videos. You can only modify, as there's no need to add or delete in this case. Only modify. Now, let's understand the locations preferred box on top over here. Here, I already added my preferred city for work. You can add multiple cities, and to make changes, I can use the edit icon over here to update my locations preferred by adding one city or more with the comma operator. For now, it's just one city for me, so I've just added it as Coimbatore. And I want this in my public details in my profile, so I've said yes, and you can save it. Next, we have the willing to relocate box, which is pretty self-explanatory. For this, there will be an add icon similarly for the first time, in which when you click that, it will ask you this question, whether you're willing to relocate or not, which I've said yes in my case, and whether you want to add this to your public details in my profile or not, which I've said yes as well. After you're done with this, you can click save again. Next, we have the preferred job type box. That is my preferred job type, which is either a full-time, part-time, freelance, or internship. Note that the edit icon I have over here is because I've already populated all of these fields, and the add icon is gone, which would have initially been the case, but since I populated it and chose a particular value before I started this video, now the edit icon only exists. And once after you're done with all this, you can go ahead and click save. Next, we have current salary, which depicts how much is your current salary right now. I've just given a sample mock value, and you can edit or update it using the edit icon over here and change it. Similarly, you have that dResume option over here to decide if you want to add this to your public dResume profile or not. Finally, you have your expected salary, which depicts what is your expected salary, which can be edited or modified using the edit icon over here. And once after you're done with all this, you can go ahead and click save. Now let's see how this looks in your public dResume profile. So once after you go over here, you can go below and look at your preferences section over here. You can see that it says my locations preferred are Coimbatore, whether I'm willing to relocate, and my preferred job type.